Hello everyone, this is Mwangs Joshua from kakensonline.com. In this video I decided to go about this Excel question, the one that was set by the UNEB. By UNEB this year 2017 for O-level. So I just want to attempt some questions and make a video about it, and you guys will see how it was supposed to be done, so that maybe if you're a student you can use it for practice. If you're a teacher and maybe you had some things that confused you, you can watch this video and you'll find things solved. So I'm going to begin by, of course, showing you how to start Microsoft Excel, as to load Excel as a spreadsheet program, because when you look at this question it looked like this. Let me load it and you guys can see. Sorry. Okay. It is this one. So when you look at this question, it was saying the table below shows the wages in O2K Technical School in June 2015. So that is the table as you can see it, and question number 1 was saying enter the above information into the spreadsheet application of your choice, like that, and save it as your name and personal number. So what we need to know here is we are supposed to be able to know which spreadsheet program we use. More especially in Uganda here, we use Excel as an application spreadsheet program we have. Then we should enter this information in the table and save it with your name and personal number. So that one only carried 5 marks. So we should know how to start Microsoft Excel and enter that data in it. So let me show you how to start it. Of course, from start, click your start button, click all programs. Mine is showing all apps, but same thing, because I'm using Windows 10. Others might be using a different operating system like Windows 7 and Windows XP. They show all programs. So you click Microsoft Office and you choose Microsoft Office Excel right here. So after it loads, you start typing in the details they have given you in a table. Like they gave us the name of a person. Number 2, secondly, they give us, sorry, all these things in capital letters. So we have the name, basic pay, bonus pay, responsibility. I'm pressing the arrow keys or the tab keys to jump to the next cell, and I'm not skipping any cell, no matter whether the current entry protruded to the next cell. I just type in it, and then I will show you how to handle that. So this is responsibility allowance, and the next one is gross pay, payee, NSSF, and net pay. So after you have entered it like that, remember we enter data starting from cell address A1 for certain reasons which I'll tell in the coming lessons about Excel. So after you have entered your work like that in an Excel spreadsheet, I mean your field names, these are called field names according to the table here. These ones are the ones I have been entering in. So when you look at this table, let me minimize it. When you look at this table, the basic pay is wrapped within the same cell, like basic pay. This pay is down in the same cell, and bonus pay is also in the same cell. So we should learn maybe how to wrap this text in this same video. Remember, I want to cut the video short, so we shall not use more time. Like it will not go up to 10 minutes, it will be around 7, and then we shall break it and we form maybe part 2 of the same video. So if your cells are protruding into the other cells, you can use this method. You click up here and add adjust, even here and add adjust, even here and add adjust, like that. Or if you want to make the adjustments automatically at the same time, and that will auto fit, you highlight from up here and then drag up to like there, and then double click on any of these lines of the columns. Double click, so it auto fits all the contents, and you have no any other hiding data into the other cell. So I don't want that. I'm going to click undo. Our question is of course like this, and then all this data that is trying to hide is wrapped within the same cell but below here. So how do we do that? Highlight all the cells, then come right here. Sorry, there is this option for wrap text, so you click on it and then everything will be wrapped, even this net pay. The more you reduce the cell, it will be the rest of the data will be pushed in on the next line but within the same cell. So that's how you could go about that, and after that you can start now typing in the other records like or both Kent plus his money. So you can adjust for this one for the names, because for them they should appear in a full way, in a full form, when they are not indented according to this question. So you start typing in the records as they are related to their respective data and so on. So I'm not going to spend much time on showing you how to enter in data. I already made some data entry here, so it is this one. And what I'm going to do, let me zoom in a bit. What I'm going to do is I am going to wrap this here and then try I'm wrapping it because it is the I'm using some speed here because I already explained how you can wrap this in the previous video. I mean in the previous table we started with. So this data is like showing the hash values. Don't fear those hash values. Those hash values means that the cells are too small to contain the values in there. So what you do is you adjust on the size of the cells. Try to increase on the size of the cells so that those values can fit there, and the problem will be solved. So that is how we can enter data into an Excel spreadsheet. Then let us save it. Save. Deciding to save it maybe on the desktop. Yes, maybe UNEB question. Yes, and then the personal number is maybe 001. I have used this one as my name and 001 as my personal number, and that is under the file name, and I'm putting it on the desktop outside, not in any folder. So I'm going to save it. So this question is saved, and we can see the file name up here. So where have we saved it? Of course, on the desktop it should be here, this one. And so the first question on this 5 marks have been achieved. So let me break the video here. I don't want to make it too long, and I'm going to upload it on both YouTube and on kakensaonline.com. You can follow this link, www.kakensaonline.com, and you'll find this video there. So let me come back in part 2 and we answer the next videos. Thanks for watching.